Hello traders, good morning. Today is 26th of June 2023. We had an amazing trade, guys. All the yen pairs. Let me share with you guys the dollar again. That was a beautiful trade. As explained to my trader this morning in live analysis, even if Asian session, as explained, if the market is going to break. So technically, if you look at here, this is the trend resistance line, which price nicely broken after the breakout, price retest. So this is what price action we were expecting it. So psychologically and technically we were expecting a short trade here, which we had it this Asian session, and this morning we had another beautiful short trade here. Let me share with you guys how I analyzed the entry. That was a pretty straightforward. You can see here based on the Asian session analysis, you can see here, and price nicely broken after the breakout, price nicely retest, give us the confirmation. We bank amazing profit. After banking, we have another beautiful pullback short trade here. And then later on this analysis, as explained, we are expecting here, let's see if the market is going to respect this trend, look for another breakout short trade here, which price nicely developed. You can see here such a nice beautiful opportunity. That was the pretty straightforward. We were looking this, you can see here this low, the price nicely respected here, and this is the beautiful breakout based on this analysis, and price nicely hit to the profit target, and that's what explained my trader. It's time to enjoy some profit. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy this analysis. You can enjoy more if you watch those analyses. Most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.